Sit down. Sit down. Yeah. It's time for your alphabet lesson. Or something along those lines. Can you shake? There you go. There you go. One of your favorites. I know. I'm not bleeding. Really, I'm not. You haven't hurt me like that, so you don't got to check. Sit. Sit. Sign language is working way better with this dog than verbal commands.
Yes.
You anticipated it there, you little shithead.
Well, you moved your hand.
Whatever. I'm still learning his language too.
Right.
I don't know Belgian.
So what kind of dog is he?
I don't know. He's a fucking Florida stray that found me out the woods. I offered him water, and this is what I get. His paws are getting bigger, baby.
Don't say that.
Look at these. He's going to be 60, 70 pounds. Hey, pay attention. I know you want all of my affection. Sit. Ben.
He sees those on the table.
Yeah, I got sticky all over my hands. Sit. Sit. There you go. He might be freaking deaf too. We don't know.
No,
he can't be deaf. He barks at garbage trucks.
Right.
As they go past.
Make him lay down.
What do you do now? You remember. I have it right here. I don't want kisses like her.
He goes, Mom gets kisses.
All right. You're going to show everybody how difficult you are. Start all over. Lay down. This is not what lay down means. All right.
I tell him to relax.
All right. We're just going to have to ignore you just for a moment. You'll figure it out. He's like, no, I'm going to go find something that I ain't supposed to have. All right, Ben. Sit. Lay down. Down there. Lay down. You remember. I'm not fighting with the dog. At least he's doing this part. He only knows A, B, D, F, M. Sit.
Dehydrated apple. No.
Oh, no.
Oh, good job. Hey, I don't know.
I don't know either. We got to figure this out because we got to learn to speak his language.
Yeah,
All right. So. He's doing the paw. He confuses me. I think he's confused too.
He goes, just open that hand and give me the apple.
I am not confused. Lay down. Lay down. Oop. He's like, I'm doing plenty to get this. I guess I shouldn't expect.
Last one.
Straight A's from a knucklehead like you that has a bent ear. This is great. I love his bent ear.
Oh, it went right back up. Yep.
And
good boy,
we
Ben.
like it when you got goofy ears. All right.
He goes, they're over there.
Oh, the popcorn again, huh? All right. Where is...
All right.